These are the birds I saw at the zoo. This is a thick-billed parrot. They live in Mexico. They are endangered, and a fun fact is they are omnivores. Rhinoceros hornbill. They live in tropical climate. They are near threatened, and they can live to 35 years in captivity. Puffins. 60% of the world puffin population breed in Iceland. They are threatened by human activity, and they eat fish and sand eels. Penguins. They live in Antarctica. As of February 2020, they are not endangered, and they can drink seawater. I think this is a duck. There's over 40 breeds of ducks, and they've been domesticated for over 500 years. These are the little penguin, or the small blue penguin. They live in Australia and New Zealand, and they are the smallest penguin species. There's also a few ducks in this clip. As you can see, they are extremely active. Stellar sea eagle. They are around Russia, but they migrate to Japan and Korea, around there. They have a wingspan of about 8 feet. Their main diet is salmon, and they are beautiful.